Okay, this is weird. This is pretty epic. Okay, here is my very cool campsite. Got this really cool tree and a waterfall right across from my campsite. It might be kind of hard to see because there's a big tree in front of it. And we'll get this tent set up. I won't do the inside until there's a little bit of shade or it cools off. Kind of underestimated how warm it was going to be. That's as good as it's going to get for now. This heat is so intense, but these views are calling my name. Just wait until you see the waterfall from up above. This is pretty epic. There's the waterfall. I didn't realize it would be this hot because I would go put my feet in the water with my non-slip shoes. So and there's little fish over here too. Okay, we've got a little shade, so we'll finish setting up camp here. I spent a good hour and a half down on the river reading a book, so that was kind of nice. So last night I slept on a slope, so there's a little bit of a slope on here as well. So I'm gonna sleep on the downward side. So we've got a good amount of shade, so it'll see how warm it gets when we get sunshine again. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy it. Okay, I got this fire pit cleaned out, so now it's time to make a fire. Okay, this is weird. Tell me if you see a face in the wood. Who is it? Okay, we are cooking over the fire tonight. We're gonna let this kind of chill out a little bit and then we'll get started. We're gonna have quesadilla chicken sausage dog thing. You'll see when it comes up. Okay, here's our wood pile. And these are just some burned out logs. Use those first, and then we'll start dinner here pretty soon. This is probably one of the coolest campsites I've ever been to. It's super private. We've got this cool tree over here and we got the waterfall behind us. That is just awesome. After dinner, we're gonna have a little special treat for dessert and it's a play on s'mores, so you'll see. These are Chipotle Monterey Jack sausages. I thought this flavor might lend itself well to a tortilla instead of a bun, so. I've preheated my cast irons. I'm gonna put some cheddar and jack. Okay, I put the pan a little over the fire a little bit more. Now it looks like it's melting. Wrap the hot dog. Ooh, that's hot. Let that cool off a little bit. Here's a peek inside. That is so hot. I can't bite into it. Here's the inside of it. It's got a little kick to it. Ooh. That's the perfect flavor of chicken sausage for a tortilla. I don't think it would taste as good on a bun. That is so good. This is the market side from Walmart, but it's pretty good. For dessert, I'm gonna have a s'mores pie. Walmart has these really cheap pies. I'm just gonna set it close enough where it warms up a little bit. And then I'll check back with you in just a little bit to see how it tastes. Okay, I'm gonna make a cup of decaf to go with this because I have a feeling it's gonna be kind of sweet. I don't know if it's gonna be hot inside because the pan's not very hot. It's basically just marshmallow inside. I was kind of expecting to have more chocolate on the inside, but it's not bad. The trick is to get a little bit of the chocolate and the marshmallow together. A cup of black coffee is definitely, I think it's necessary. It kind of just breaks through that sweetness a little bit. So I didn't film it because I was walking back from my car, but this massive eagle with this like huge wingspan just flew right over my camp. That is so cool. I haven't seen an eagle in a long time, but it was just massive. Wow. So my camera makes it look like it's much brighter, but the sun's going down and I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'm not gonna go to sleep. I'll just, I don't know, do something, read my book. So anyways, I don't remember if I told you, but this is a BLM campground and there's only 11 campsites and there's only one other person here tonight. There's no host, so I'm pretty much by myself for the most part. So it kind of feels like I'm wild camping already. This turned out to be one epic campsite. Pretty excited about maybe coming back here in the fall before they close. Anyways, I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. It is so nice to wake up and have a waterfall right in front of you during coffee time. It's awesome. Here, I'll show you the waterfall. I don't know if you can see that because there's a lot of trees in the way. I will say that this campsite is probably one of the most epic sites I've ever camped at. But I will also say that it's the dirtiest. My shoes are so dirty, I'll show you. They're brown on the sides. So I'm just going to spend part of the good morning just soaking in this view and the sound. The sound is just incredible. The good news is this campsite is, I think, the most popular one. The bad news is that it's booked, I think, all summer. So I'm going to have to keep an eye on it because I want to come back out again and just enjoy the river a little bit more and this awesome view. It's just so cool here. I love it. This might become my new favorite campsite. Okay, we're going with super easy this morning. Just some protein oatmeal. A lot of birds singing tonight. Well, you guys, I had just an awesome time here, and the sounds and the views were just amazing. And the company was good too. Thank you so much for joining. I think camping at these small BLM campgrounds is giving me a little more confidence to go out there and wild camp. So I'm excited for this summer. Hopefully I'll have enough courage to do so. And if you enjoyed this video, would you mind giving it a thumbs up? It really helps, YouTube know that my videos are worthy to capture as many new viewers as I can. And also my goal this year, besides wild camping, is to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can get back to Iceland and camp on the Ring Road. So if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you join me for both journeys. So until then, go chase your own wild. See you later.